Hi friends, this is Sunil Kumar. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am an M.B.A graduation holder. Uh, Recently, I got selected as a desktop support engineer in Labtron Equipment Private Limited. I have already 1.3 years experience as a desktop support engineer um, position. Before that, I worked as a HR in a consultancy. During Corona time, I lost my job and I had to I had to move to different domain. So at the time, I got good guidance from Evision Technoserve, and I have upgraded my skills in networking domain. Um, Actually, I have 1.3 years experience. Uh, after I quit that company, um, after my contract is over there, then I came to know about Evision Technoserve, and I extended my networking knowledge uh, in Evision Technoserve, and the faculty members and the way of teaching, the way of training is very comfortable, very comfortable. Uh, I, uh, I felt very free to ask any doubts at any time. So they give so much for confidence in teaching, and they build up that confidence in myself also to openly ask any kind of doubts. So I got good knowledge. At the end of the training session, I was very confident, and I was very confident, and I know that confidence gave me assurance that I can crack any interview easily. The same thing has happened, and I got selected in the Labtron Equipment Private Limited, Hyderabad location, with a good salary package. I sincerely recommend, if anyone asks me, I sincerely recommend them Evision Technoserve try to take any software training, networking training, any kind of training, because I feel it's a very good platform. The faculties are very friendly. They give so much freedom. They every day after teaching, after completing the lesson, they used to ask the questions. They again and again repeatedly says that if you have any doubts, please openly uh, tell ask us. We will clarify any kind of doubt. So through the classes, this kind of assurance, this kinds of confidence, this kinds of uh, the freedom, the freedom, this kind of freedom they gave to us. They gave not only for me, to every student who attended, who joined the classes. So I feel very happy getting into new job, and I sincerely thanks to Evision Technoserve faculty members, HR team members, the placement team, and uh, and that's it. Thank you.